Hey, look, it's WebOS, but it's new and made in jQuery. So I've used a browser-based desktop interface a couple times before. In fact, I've done a video on a previous one that was more of an activity game type thing, a useless website. And that was pretty cool, but this one purports to be one that is actually useful. So this is Puter.com, Puter.com. And apparently it's got like an account you can save to like keep your data and things like it. It purports to be private. Let me go. So they've got this cool about thing. This is like really my first time looking at it. I briefly looked at it for like 2 minutes earlier today. So it says Puter is a privacy first personal cloud to keep all your files, apps, and games in one secure place, accessible from anywhere at any time. So apparently it's got different apps you can put on, and it looks like it's got a GitHub. Let's go to that real quick. Which means I assume that it's possible to run your own instance of it and self-host it. Again, my assumption. Let's see, it can be used to build remote desktop environments or serve as an interface for cloud storage services, remote servers, web hosting platforms, and more. Deploy to production. Ah, yes. So yeah, you can self-host this on your own server if you want to. I don't really have the need, I don't think, to run my own. But this is actually pretty cool that you can do this. So going back to Puter.com, the basic instance, we've got our terminal, our recorder, our camera, our code, our draw, our dev center, notepad, explorer, and our start menu. So if we look at trash, we've got a basic folder here. Oh, I don't know if dark mode is like messing with things. Yes, it is. So it's light mode by default. So it's pretty much, heresy from the get-go. You've got all your standard folders that you expect from a Linux distro in desktop. So, up here's a QR code. So we could log into the same session from other devices using this. Let's see, our full screen. We'll do full screen for the effect. Let's see. Websites. You haven't published any. Change password, contact us, Brightbag. And then we've got a referral code thing. We've got server time right here. So yeah, we go back to our terminal. Let's see, Phoenix Shell. This shell in Puter's terminal emulator are free software. So they've got the Hey Puter terminal and Phoenix stuff up here. So can we do a fetch? No. Fetch. Haha. So Puter shell, Windows 73 by 18, and third. So yeah, that's what our Neo fetch looks like. We don't really have much information on it, but like, do we have Vim on here? Oh, no. No text editors in the terminal? What a shame. So our recorder app, very basic recorder. We're not going to worry about the camera. We're going to skip that for now. So yes, if you really wanted to, you could do code editing on Puter. And it looks like it's actually VS Code running in it. Interesting. Get started with VS Code for the web. Oh, so it runs a web instance of the VS Code in web. Here's our draw. Bro. Allow. Okay. We've got MS Paint for all you people that love your MS Paint. So that's our MS Paint clone. Do not save it. Pretty cool animations, not gonna lie. Let's see. Developers earn money on Pooter. Follow the steps to start earning money on Pooter. Publish as many apps as you want on Pooter. We automatically review every app continuously. Qualified apps are automatically added to our incentive program to earn money. You'll earn money every time your approved apps are opened by users. That's actually pretty cool. So we'll go into that. So we could click create an app. Let's look at that. Test app. Drop your app folder and files here to deploy. Interesting. So that's cool. So we already showed the Explorer. We've been there, done that, got that. So here's our start menu. It's got a very Windows stole it from Budgie, so it's got a very Budgie desktop-esque feel to it. So let's see, what have we not explored? Shell shockers. Bro. Anytime now. Anytime. Maybe. Maybe not. Crunker. You care about our privacy. Cool. Really. But anyway. I don't know. It doesn't seem to want to load too well. Flows. Well, row. I can read. Rows. AI analyst. ChatGPT meets spreadsheet. Let me get started. Sheesh. Can import data. So this is actually pretty cool. We can go data 1, data 2, data 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we could save that if we wanted to. Export it as a CSV. It doesn't seem to have... Oh, interesting. So it's very note-taking. It's got spreadsheet elements and other note stuff in it, apparently. Let's see. Data table, pivot table, chart. Very different from most things I've seen when it comes to spreadsheet stuff. Slash fever. Wow.
Ready, set, go.
Yay! Okay. I can fail at games. It's fine. So that game worked. I don't know why the others didn't. So here's the image viewer. WebGL is not supported in this browser. This is FireDragon, my friend. What do you mean it's not supported? Marcus. Tell me about yourself, Marcus. Nice. File, new. What am I supposed to do with that? I don't know. Markdown viewer, maybe. Video player, PDF viewer, Palatno. Very cool. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see. We can do basketball. Princess, princess, princess. There we go. Bro. Is this an idle clicker? I feel like it is. Oh my goodness. How am I, like, you give me 2 levels. Okay, cool, guys. Thank you. You know what? Screw you. This game sucks. Gold digger. Okay. Plushie connect. Wow. Oh my goodness. Okay. I am not doing that. Hex.
Beautiful.
Really, buddy? Come on. Bruh. Okay. I know I really, like, smacked this game in the face and said, I can do this. But man, I really pulled a brainlet move on this sucker. That's that game. Anyway, it's like Tetris, but with hexes. Spider Solitaire. I think everybody's played this, something like this one. Nope. That was cool. Let's go to Solitaire. See how that does. A little bit better. If you haven't played Solitaire, you are practically living under a rock, honestly. Yeah. Okay, now let's go to the illustrious App Center. The center of apps, the place where people put their creations. We've got Danger Cross, Tiles Beat, Turbo Racing. So we can, like, it looks like it just opens it up and then saves it in the menu. So you've got Copycat, you've got a whole load of options to go through. It's kind of interesting. It looks like a lot of Flash games, honestly, and I don't blame them. So let's open Dice just for fun. How big a one can we do? Colors. Balance Buddies, basic dice color red. 5. Okay. So we can add it straight up, or we can add it to, or play it, open it straight up, or add it to the desktop. So if we go into games, we've got the games we already saw. We've got a few others. So I mean, if you set up your own, apparently you have a bunch of options that you can mess with, and then you can get paid for people opening it, which is interesting, and I'm not sure how they would do that. But that's Pooter. It's a pretty interesting project, it seems, and you can develop apps for it and get it to work in here, and people can pay you for that. And you can change the desktop background to whatever you don't have up there. And yeah, it's another browser-based desktop experience that you can use anywhere. If you enjoyed the video, then like, comment, subscribe, feed the algorithm, boost the video up, share this video with your friends. If you found it informative or you just want to chat, I've got plenty of places in the description, Discord, Guilded, and what have you. Check those out, and I will see you guys in the next one.